Hey everyone! Welcome to How It Fix channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create amazing videos using OpenShot Video Editor. OpenShot is a free and easy-to-use video editing software, perfect for beginners. So let's get started. First, go to openshot.org and download the latest version of OpenShot for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once downloaded, install it by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open the software, and you'll see the OpenShot interface. To start a project, you'll need videos, images, or music. Click on the File menu, select Import Files, and choose the media you want to use. You can also drag and drop files directly into OpenShot. Once imported, your media will appear in the Project Files panel. Now let's arrange our clips. Drag a video or image onto the timeline. You can place multiple clips and arrange them however you like. If needed, zoom in and out on the timeline using the magnifying glass icon. To cut a clip, select it, then place the playhead where you want to split it. Click the razor tool and make the cut. You can delete unwanted sections by right-clicking and selecting Remove Clip. Want to add text or titles? Click on Title in the menu, select a template, and customize your text. You can change the font, color, and size to match your video style. Once done, drag the title onto the timeline. Smooth transitions make your video more professional. Click on the Transitions tab, drag a transition between two clips, and adjust the duration as needed. OpenShot also has built-in effects like blur, brightness, and slow motion. Just drag and drop effects onto your clips. Music sets the mood. Import an audio file, then drag it onto the timeline's audio track. Adjust the volume by right-clicking and selecting Volume Settings. You can also fade in or fade out audio for a smooth transition. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export. Click on File, Export Project, Export Video. Choose your format, MP4 is recommended, set the resolution, and click Export. OpenShot will process your video, and once done, you can share it with the world. And that's it. You've just created a video using OpenShot Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Have fun editing, and see you in the next video.